Hey guys, this is Mansi. I know I have not been very active here lately, but I swear I'll try my best. This time I'm going to share a different side of me. I have not been very vocal about it on my YouTube channel, but I am a great fan of positive affirmations. I was reading this book, The Power. It is the second part of the Secret series by Rhonda Byrne. I'm not a big fan of reading books and novels, but this book has literally changed my life. I suggest all of you to read that book. I am going to share my favorite chapter of the book, The Power. The chapter is about how to use the power of love for perfect health. I swear, feeling those feelings from your heart can change your health, can change your bad health to whatever you want to make it. I won't lie, I have changed my health with the help of these affirmations every morning. I listen to them and I have made my mornings happier. And I wanted to share this with you all because I have changed my routine. So I wanted to share with you all. So hope it helps.
How to use the power of love for perfect health. Where there is the greatest love, there are always miracles. To receive the health you want and love, you must give love. In the face of any sickness, give good feelings about health because only love brings perfect health. You cannot give bad feelings about sickness and receive health. If you hate or fear a disease, you will be giving out bad feelings, and disease can never go away through bad feelings. When you give thoughts and feelings of what you want, your cells receive the full force of health. When you give negative thoughts and feelings of what you don't want, the force of health to your cells reduces. It doesn't matter if you feel bad about a subject that has nothing to do with your health. When you feel bad, you reduce the force of health to your body. But when you feel love, but when you feel love for anything, for a sunny day, new house, a friend, or a promotion, your body receives the full force of health. Gratitude is the great multiplier. So say thank you for your health every single day. All the money in the world cannot buy health because it is a gift from life. And so, more than anything else, be grateful for your health. It's the best health insurance you can ever take because gratitude is the assurance of health. Be grateful for your body instead of finding fault with it. Every time you have a thought of something you don't like about your body, remember that the water inside your body is receiving your feelings. Instead, say thank you with all your heart for what you do like about your body and ignore the things you don't like. Love draws forth love. Before you eat food or drink water, look at what you are about to eat or drink and feel love and gratitude. Make sure your conversations are positive when you are sitting down to a meal. Blessing food gives love and gratitude for food. As you bless food, you change the structure of the water in the food and its effect on your body. Blessing water with love and gratitude does the same thing. Your positive feelings of love can change the structure of water in everything. So use the power. You can give love and gratitude and use their power while receiving any medical treatment. If you can imagine being well, you can feel being well. If you can feel it, you can receive it. To see your health improve, all you have to do is give love more than 50% of the time. Just 51% is the tipping point from sickness to health. When having your eyesight checked or blood pressure checked, or if you're having a general checkup, receiving results from tests or anything concerning your health, it is very important that you are feeling good during it. And while receiving the results, in order to receive a good outcome, by the law of attraction, the outcome of the checkup or tests must watch the frequency you are on. So, to bring the good outcome you want, You must be on the frequency to receive it. Life does not happen the way around. The outcome of every situation in your life will always match your frequency because that is the law of attraction. To get yourself onto a good feeling frequency about a test, imagine the outcome you want and feel that you have already received that outcome. Every possible outcome can happen, but you must be on a good feeling frequency to receive good outcomes. Every possible outcome can happen, but you must be on a good feeling frequency to receive good outcomes. Possibilities and miracles mean the same thing. Imagine and feel having the health you want in your body. If you want to restore your eyesight, give love for perfect vision and imagine having it. Give love for perfect hearing and imagine having it. Give love for perfect weight, perfect body, perfect health of an organ and imagine having it. And be utterly grateful for everything you do have. Your body will change into whatever you want, but it can only do it through feelings of love and gratitude. When a young girl, fit woman was told she had a rare heart disease, her life crumbled around her. She suddenly felt weak and fragile. Her future, a normal, healthy life, had disappeared with the prognosis. She was terrified of leaving her two young daughters motherless. But this woman decided she was going to do everything she could to heal her heart. She refused to entertain any negative thoughts about her heart. She placed her right hand on her heart every day and imagined her strong, healthy heart. Every morning, when she woke up, she gave the deepest thanks for her strong, healthy heart. She imagined the cardiologists telling her that she was cured. She did not She did these things every day for 4 months, and when her cardiologists checked her heart 4 months later, they were dumbfounded. They checked and rechecked the old tests against the new test because the new test showed that the woman's heart was perfectly strong and healthy. This woman lived according to love's law of attraction. She did not own the prognosis of a diseased heart in her mind, but she gave love for a healthy heart and she owned a healthy heart instead. If you're facing any kind of illness, do your best not to own it with your thoughts and words. Don't hate an illness either because that is negativity, that is giving negativity to it. Instead, give love to health, own health and make it yours. Keep your mind as much as you can from dwelling on your ailment. Think of strength and power and you will draw it to you. Think of health and you will get it. Every moment you feel love for your health, the force of love is eliminating any negativity in your body. If you find it difficult to feel good about your health, all that matters is that you feel love for everything. So surround yourself with everything you love and use those things to feel as good as you can. Use everything you can in the outside world so that you feel love. Watch movies that make you laugh and feel good, not movies that make you feel tense or sad. Listen to music that makes you feel good. Get people to tell you jokes and make you laugh, or have them tell you funny stories about their most embarrassing moments. You know the things you love. You know your favorite things. You know what makes you happy. So draw them all and feel as good as you can. Use the creation process. Use the keys to power. Remember, it only takes giving love and good feelings a minimum of 51% of the time to reach the tipping point and change everything. If you want to help somebody who is ill, you can use the creation process. Imagine and feel full health being restored to them. Although you cannot override what another person is giving to the law of attraction, your power can help them rise to a frequency where they can receive health.